Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my debut brand video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin Impact game stock loading problem. If you have facing this problem, so watch this video. Let's get started this video with a wasting time. Firstly, go back home screen. See, after then go back home screen, enter into the settings. If you have using iPhone, so just enter into the iPhone storage and click on game impact. So enter into the game impact and offload your game impact application. If you have using Android device, so enter into the settings and click on apps or app management. After then click on apps or app management. Here you see loading, so just wait and don't forget subscribe my channel and search it game impact Genshin impact game. Here you see, so just wait, search in Genshin impact game. After that, here you see Genshin impact game, enter into the schemes or application, and here you see first option storage usage. So just enter into the storage usage and clear cache and clear data. After the clear cache and clear data, and back one step and enter into the permissions. Allow the all permission, camera and storage, and back and click on data usage detail. I see, click on data usage detail and enable the background data. So 100% your problem has been solved. If your problem has been facing, you have still facing this problem, so after then go back home screen and enter into the Google's or Safari if you have using iPhone, and type on search bar. After that, type on search bar and search it Genshin impact, Genshin impact, Genshin impact last version, last version, last update or last version. After then search this and install your Genshin impact game last version, and your problem 100% solved. If you have facing any problem on Android device or iPhone, so tell me in comment box. I try to solve your problems. Thanks for watching for my video.